You want good things to be happening in your life. You want people to always say good about you. You want people to always recommend you for a job. You want people to recommend you for a contract. You want whenever you go for an interview of a job that you love so much, so that the person who is interviewing you will be happy, he will just like you for not just cause. You want people to always speak good of you. You want everything that always brings you joy to come to you. It's just very simple. All you need to do is you need honey. You need honey for this ritual. You need just a plain sheet paper. If you want people to always speak good of you in your working place, in your environment, in your businesses, you want people to like to patronize you, you want people to always want to come close to you, to do good for you, people to always love and cherish you. All you need is just get a transparent plastic cup, a plastic cup of any kind, any color, depending on the one you have at home. The plastic cup you know you've been using before, you've used to drink water, you've used it to do one or two things in your house. Get a plastic cup like this, add it honey, then you get a plain sheet paper like this. If you are a woman, you write your name 7 times on this plain sheet paper. If you are a man, you write your name 9 times on this plain sheet paper. After writing your name on this plain sheet paper, this honey you will see here now, fold this plain sheet paper and put it inside this honey. Before putting this plain sheet paper inside this honey, call your name 7 times if you are a lady. If you are a man, you call your name 9 times. After calling your name, you decree and declare a word over your life. As honey is sweet, so shall my life be sweet. So shall my life be sweet. So shall every good thing I ever want come to me. As honey attract ants, so shall every good thing I want come to me. After saying all those things, as a woman, you call your name again 7 times and call your name. As a man, you call your name 9 times. After calling your names 9 times, you touch yourself. You say, I, so person, I, Emmanuel, from today onward, I am like the honey. 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 Every good thing I want come to me. The sweetness in me shall never leave. After saying all those things, fold this paper very well. Fold it and put it, dip it inside that honey. Make sure that this honey covers the paper very well. Leave down your paper, leave down your name inside that honey for at least 1 month. Before that 1 month ends, believe me, you have a testimony to give. You'll find out that everybody, people will start liking you wherever you come. Children will always want to come to you. A lot of things, good things will be attracted to you. Do this and thank me later. Thank you and God bless. I love you all.